Good evening and thank you for joining us. A state judge sacked the efforts to allow KAHUKU High School to participate in the state football tournament today. Attorneys for KAHUKU players went to court after the OIA decided last week KAHUKU could not play in the league title game or the state tournament because it used an ineligible player during the season. KITV4's Kenny Choi has the latest.
Hugs from their head coach could only console some of the players that this is the end of the road for the KAHUKU football team.
We did all we could, and there's nothing else to it. At least we fought to the end.
My heart goes out to these boys. They've done nothing wrong. They've done everything asked of them, and they're classy boys.
6 witnesses testified during the hearing, which lasted more than 4 hours. But in the end, the judge ruled in favor of the Oahu Interscholastic Association and its decision to force KAHUKU to forfeit games and the rest of the season because of an ineligible player.
We followed all the procedures that we feel are correct, and a judge's ruling would undermine everything that we stand for.
Clearly, he denied the injunctive relief which we were looking for, which would have been to allow somehow for the KAHUKU High School team to participate.
But ultimately, as counsel have argued, this is the court of law, and the court is bound to follow the laws that are given before it.
Now we know things don't happen the way we all want it to be, but it's just how it is. That's how sometimes life is. You can't always get what you want.
It's really a sad time because this is like the 3rd time that they're getting their hearts broken in just a couple of days.
Kenny Choi, KITV4 News.
The lawyers for the players say they will have to consider what other legal options are available. But KAHUKU coach Reggie Torres told KITV there are no plans right now to further pursue this matter. And we wanted to know, do you agree with the court ruling to keep KAHUKU High School out of the football championships? A bunch of you have already voted on our survey at KITV.com. It seems right now that 77% of those voting, 355, say yes, 104 have voted no.